Hello, my name is Harsh. In this video, I am showing my task where I set up a Raspberry Pi and made an LED blink using Python. This task helps me learn how to control hardware using simple code on the Raspberry Pi. First, let me show you my hardware setup. This is my hardware setup. I connected an LED to the Raspberry Pi using a breadboard. The positive leg of the LED is connected to the GPIO pin 10 and the negative leg of the LED is connected to the ground. I used the jumper wires to connect the Raspberry Pi to the breadboard. The resistor protects the LED from too much current and prevent it from burning out. Now I am going to explain my code. First, the program imports the rpi.gpio library, which allows the Raspberry Pi to control its physical pins. It also imports the time library, which helps to add small pauses between turning the LED on and off. Then the program sets the pin numbering mode to board, meaning it uses the physical pin numbers of the Raspberry Pi. It sets pin 10 as an output pin, which is used to send electrical signals to the LED. The main part of the program is a loop that runs forever until I manually stop it. Inside the loop, the program sends a high signal 3.3 volts to pin 10, which turns the LED on. It then pauses for 0.25 seconds using time.sleep 0.25. After that, it sends a low signal 0 volts to pin 10, turning the LED off, and again waits for 0.25 seconds. This cycle repeats continuously, causing the LED to blink on and off. If I press Ctrl plus C, the program stops safely and runs gpio.cleanup, which reset the pin to prevent them from staying in an unsafe state. Here is my hardware setup, as you can see. Now I am going to open the terminal. After opening the terminal, now I type the command cd to go inside my folder. After getting inside my folder, now I type the command ls to check how many files I have created inside my folder. As you can see, I have two files, .txt and blinker.py. Now I type the command nano blinker.py to check my code which I have saved inside my file. As you can see, I have written this code for my program which I explained earlier. Now to exit from here, I use the Ctrl plus X. After exit from the file blinker.py, now I type the command sudo python3 blinker.py to run my program. As you can see that the code is running and LED is blinking as expected. This shows that the Raspberry Pi can control external hardware devices using Python.